Thinking about learning or improving your English? Planning to study Spanish? Transformations, Languages and Coaching is the place for you. We teach languages through holistic approaches, including relaxation, visual arts, drama, storytelling, and poetry. We teach through all things creative. A class with us is always engaging, fruitful, and stress-free. The founder, Monica Mulholland, has been teaching English and Spanish for over 30 years. She started by tutoring her younger brother, Jorge, at the age of 7. In the early 70s, she discovered the Beatles, and her love for English music conquered her heart forever. So music is a big part of Transformations, Languages and Coaching. This approach to teaching and learning includes authentic language, real-life situations, discussion of current affairs, presentations and digital media. For students who need a more rigorous academic type of instruction, we develop lessons with emphasis on listening, speaking, reading, and writing at all levels. We offer face-to-face and online classes to accommodate the needs of all of our students. Our specialty is human-to-human connection so that learning can flourish. Treat yourself to a new language at Transformations, Languages and Coaching today. We transform lives through the power of communication in more than one language.